For this experiment to be carried out, you will need cornstarch, some water, a glass bowl, newspapers, and a glass rod or dipper.
First, we have to place the newspaper on the working space to prevent spills.
Then, put the cornstarch into the bowl and gradually add water. One can observe that if we stir gently, suspension will start to toughen up. The suspension acts as a solid surface against the great force applied. Therefore, the non-Newtonian fluid obeys Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every applied force, there is an equal and opposite reaction force.
So the force is counteracted. However, let us observe what happens if we dip the rod with a greater force. In this experiment, we will investigate how non-Newtonian fluids react differently from other liquids against vibration caused by sounds.
First, cut a piece of cling film and pour the non-Newtonian gently. Start with a low frequency at first. And observe what happens as we turn up the pitch. The ripples seen from the speaker are caused by air vibrations in the speaker, therefore causing a domino effect from the vibrations into the non-Newtonian fluid, and therefore we observe ripples.
Try the same with water. In comparison, both fluids react similarly to the vibrations.
However, in the non-Newtonian fluids case, less ripples were observed than in the water's case.
Once again, the non-Newtonian fluids react as a solid against the vibration of the sound.
Now, let us look closer at the behavior of these particles in terms of vibrations.
This is the difference between cornstarch molecules and water molecules. Cornstarch is made of large blocky molecules in the shape of rectangles. Water is made of much smaller molecules. In this diagram, one can see the original position of the particles.
Now in this diagram, one can see the reaction of the particles as the rulers dip gently into the fluid. When a weak force is applied, the solution acts as a liquid.
And in the last diagram, one can see the reaction of the suspension's particles repelling against the ruler.
In short, non-Newtonian fluids are quite unpredictable in their actions in terms of forces and pressure. Nonetheless, when a force or pressure is applied on the fluid, it acts as a solid. Other examples of non-Newtonian fluids include blood, paint, toothpaste, and ketchup.